Hi, this is Lorena, and today I'm going to answer another type of question that we get from teachers who are trying the platform. This question is in relation to assessments, whether we include formative and summative assessments in our platform, how they are incorporated into each unit, and whether it is easy or difficult to use them and their types. So when we go to the directory, we'll see that there is a list view of the contents. You will see that there is a can-do pre-assessment at the beginning of each unit. This is a pre-assessment that students will take before they start. The benefits of having this type of assessment is that students are very aware of their progress. It gives them ownership and also the motivation to see how they progress as they cover each story within each unit. In relation to the 4 skills, we cover different aspects, and you will see that we also cover the 4 skills. We include questions in relation to interpretive reading within this self-assessment. We also include interpretive listening, presentational speaking, and presentational writing. As you can see, these are the 4 skills right here. We also include here the option of intercultural competencies in relation to whether they can express their opinions in relation to a country, in this case, Scotland. The pre-self-assessment is paired with can-do activities along the stories and unit. You will see right here that there is a light blue star that you will see next to each activity that is developing the different competencies that we asked at the beginning of each unit. You will see right here the statement. For example, I can read a description and match it with an image. So we'll be able to develop this skill by asking questions in this section. The speaking activity, for example, would ask questions in relation to whether students will be able to answer information or questions in relation to a person that is having a problem in a rainy day. You'll also have questions in relation to writing. The benefit about these types of assessment is that it's very flexible. It can be used as formative assessment, as teachers can see where their students are at in order to modify the sequencing, the content, or to add more practice to their students' sections, or it could be used as a summative activity. The activities, some of them are auto-graded. They are also some of them require personalized teacher feedback. We also include the different rubrics, and just like anything else within the platform, they are totally editable. You can make your own rubrics, you can create your own, and you can edit all this within the platform. This is a sample of the speaking rubric. This is a versatile approach that also combines the use of traditional assessment tools that focus on specific vocabulary and grammar points in this section that you will see right here, that will be covered in this section too. And we also offer the option of integrated assessments, where we integrate different tasks and we use them communicatively. First of all, we provide students with a context, and then along with this, we create different communicative activities that are interrelated. So, for example, in this case, students have to do a research on fashion and eating preferences that are from British musicians. And then they will read a biography about a musician. Then they will have to express their own preferences, food and fashion preferences. And finally, they will have to create some questions to interview a person, a celebrity, in relation to fashion and food preferences too. So as you see, all these activities are interconnected and they are thematically connected too, and they integrate different types of skills. The great thing about assessment is also that we have different approaches to each skill. In relation to the receptive skills, such as reading and listening, we offer the interpretive assessment. In relation to speaking and writing, we offer presentational and interpersonal abilities. We assess these two for speaking and for writing. And we also assess intercultural knowledge, whether our students are able to understand cultural information, relate to them, and find differences and similarities between their culture and the culture that they are learning about. This pre-assessment is matched with can-do checklists that you will see at the end of the unit, and you will also be able to check their students' progress when they answer the questions. Okay, when you go to the students group and then you click on each student, you will be able to see the can-do checklist done there, and you will be able to compare the can-do pre-assessment with the final checklist to see what are the different skills that your students were able to develop and which are the ones they still need to work on. The good thing about it also is that we can all check their progress. We can also add additional tasks if we need to meet our students' needs. So it is pretty comprehensive approach to assessment. We can assess different skills in different ways. And we also have different tools to allow us to get to the goals that we set at the beginning of each unit. So, and it's pretty easy to do so too. So thank you for watching this video. The last question we'll cover in our next video is in relation to the platform and how it can stand out from different other options out there. So we'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any additional questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com. Bye.